One queen, one faith, one country she could not turn back. Mary Tudor tried to drag England back to the past. She didn't inherit a peaceful kingdom. She inherited a country already torn apart by religion. Mary I ruled England for just 5 years, but in that short time, she tried to undo everything her father had changed. Mary was the daughter of Henry VIII and Catherine of Aragon. After her father broke with Rome, Mary was declared illegitimate. She lost her title, her place at court, and her future. But Mary never changed her faith. She remained Catholic in a country that was becoming Protestant. When her half-brother Edward VI died, England faced a choice. Mary was not supposed to rule, but support for her exploded. Against all expectations, Mary became queen in 1553, and she came with a mission. Mary didn't want compromise. She wanted reversal. She restored papal authority, repealed Protestant reforms, and made Catholicism the law again. Those who resisted paid the price. Nearly 300 Protestants were burned at the stake for heresy. That campaign defined her reign and earned her a name history never forgot: Bloody Mary. Mary married Philip II of Spain. The alliance was deeply unpopular. Rebellions broke out, and fears spread that England would become a Spanish dependency. Mary desperately wanted an heir, but her pregnancies were psychological pregnancies, and the Catholic future she wanted never arrived. Mary died in 1558, likely from cancer and without an heir. Her Protestant half-sister Elizabeth took the throne. Within months, Mary's Catholic restoration was dismantled. England returned to Protestantism, this time permanently. Mary Tudor tried to reverse history, but repression only hardened resistance. Her failure shaped the England that came after her. History didn't move backward, it moved on. From then to now.